If you're looking for reliable, high-quality replacement ball joints for your Toyota or Lexus vehicle, this front-lower ball joint set is the perfect solution. Compatible with a wide range of models including the 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry, 2001 to 2007 Toyota Highlander, 2004 to 2010 Toyota Sienna, 2004 to 2008 Toyota Solara, and various Lexus models such as the 2002-2003 Lexus ES300, 2004 to 2006 Lexus ES330, and more. These ball joints ensure a precise fit and long-lasting performance. Manufactured using a heat-treated metal forging process, these ball joints offer durability, strength, and stability under all driving conditions. The parts undergo comprehensive testing, including impact, wear, and fatigue tests, ensuring that they meet the highest standards for quality and reliability. The design also follows strict OE specifications to ensure that these ball joints perform as expected, providing a smooth, safe ride and excellent handling for your vehicle. The kit includes both the driver and passenger side ball joints, making it a complete replacement solution. With precision tolerances for easy installation, this direct fit replacement ensures that the ball joints will integrate seamlessly into your vehicle without complications. Whether you're replacing worn-out ball joints or upgrading your suspension components, this set will help restore the handling and stability of your Toyota or Lexus vehicle. With rigorous testing for impact resistance and overall durability, these ball joints are built to stand the test of time. Don't let worn-out suspension components affect your vehicle's performance. If you want a high-quality, long-lasting solution, check the product link in the video description to buy now and enjoy reliable performance. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to explore more automotive upgrades and maintenance products.